Hello. Hey, that's a little bit too close. Hey, get out of my face. Go on. Shoo. Shoo. Yeah, a little bit more. Thank you. So, today we'll be, hold on, I need to. Okay, today we will be checking out the new bird and feather family. What's the name? Wait, let me think real quick. Wait, it's the Quetzal. Yeah, Quetzal. I think. Yeah, it's probably the Quetzal. We all love the Quetzal. Yeah. So, see you later, alligator. And a wow, Archaeopteryx. That did not sound good. I'm sorry. Well, bye. Hopefully you get that bird. And I'm done showing you. So, bye now. I'm gonna go now. Actually, oh my goodness, my cat's purring so much. Bye! Have a great day, and make sure to like and subscribe. That's all. Bye. Oh man, why do I have to call pest control all the time? There's always rats everywhere. Oh, my house. Hey, you get back here. I'm gonna get you. I'm the pest control. Oh man. Oh, I'll always have a rat